హాయ్ హలో. సో చాలామంది పీపుల్స్ ఫీమేల్ బేబీ పుడుతుందని చాలామంది చంపేస్తున్నారు. ఎందుకు? సో విచ్ పేరెంట్స్ ఈజ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ ఫర్ న్యూ కమింగ్ బేబీ మీన్స్ మేల్ ఆర్ ఫీమేల్? సో దీనికి రీజన్ తెలుసుకోవాలనుకుంటే నేను చెప్పే కాన్సెప్ట్ ఎండ్ వరకు చూడండి. అవర్ చాప్టర్ సెక్స్ డిటర్మినేషన్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ సెక్స్ డిటర్మినేషన్? If you see the development of primary sex organs, male testis and female ovary, it is called as sex determination. So mainly sex determination occurs at the end of first trimester. Under the sex determination, sexually reproducing organisms, they are divided into two types. So first one bisexual organisms are monoecious are hermaphrodites. Means what is the bisexual? If any organisms are having both male and female reproductive organs are present, those type of organism it is called as bisexual or hermaphrodites or monoecious. Means what is the main example of bisexual here? Platyhelminthes, annelids and sponges. These are the examples of under bisexual. What is the bisexual? If the organisms are having both male and female reproductive structures are present, that type of organisms we call as bisexual. Under this bisexual, what is the best example here? Sponges, platyhelminthes and annelids. Now next one, unisexual. What is the unisexual? Unisexual or dioecious. If the individual is having one reproductive structure are present, so those type of organisms it is called as unisexual or dioecious. What is the example here? Dioecious. What is the under unisexual or dioecious example? If you see the example of Aschelminthes, Arthropoda, and Chordata, Mollusca, Chordata. What is the unisexual? The individual is having only one type of reproductive organ is present, either male or female. So this is called as unisexual or dioecious. Under this unisexual or dioecious examples, Aschelminthes, annelids, chordates. And what is the sex differentiation? The development of secondary sexual like male testosterone and estrogens. Differentiation it will occur at the time of puberty. If you see the autosomes and allosomes, what is the autosomes and allosomes here? Autosomes, another one allosomes. What is the autosomes? Of any type of organisms, the chromosome will not play any role for the development of primary sex organs. It is called as autosomes. What is the autosomes? So which chromosome? The chromosome which do not play a role for the development of primary sex organs, it is called as autosomes. Now what about allosomes? The chromosome which have played the role for the development of primary sexual organisms. Sex chromosomes. sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes. I will tell you historical background of sex chromosomes. First, H. Hanking scientist 91. So H. Hanking scientist, H. Hanking, H. Hanking, 1891. So he did the experiment in spermatogenesis. During the spermatogenesis of he did the experiment spermatogenesis of insect. So he so extra chromosome he said that is the X body. And H. Hanking scientist said the chromosome, extra chromosome we called as X body. Now let us go for heterogametic sex determination theory. Heterogametic sex determination theory. Sex determination theory. Heterogametic sex determination theory. So before we would like to discuss about two different terminologies, that is the heterogametic or homogametic means what? Homogametic and heterogametic. See, if they see the homogametic, if the gametes is having same type of the gametes, those type of gametes it is called as homogametic. And heterogametic means what? Having the gametes is having two different types of the gametes. The gametes are having two different type of the gametes. That is the heterogametic. So hetero means two different types of gametes are present. Those type of gametes we call as heterogametic sex determination. Heterogametic sex determination theory is proposed by Carl Correns. So who is proposed by heterogametic sex determination theory? So Carl Correns. So heterogametic sex determination theory, they are divided into two types. Based on the same number of allosomes. The nature of allosomes. The nature of allosomes. If you see this heterogametic sex determination theory, mainly they are classified into two types. Is based on the sex determination is based on the same number of allosomes, and sex determination is based on the nature of allosomes. Now under this sex determination based on the same number of allosomes, under the examples XX, XO type of sex determination and ZO, ZZ type of sex determination. ZO also they are divided into two types. Sex determination is based on the nature of allosomes. Now they are divided into two types. So what is the nature of the allosomes here? That is the XX, XY type of sex determination. XX, XY, ZZ, ZW type of sex determination. This is the karyotype. The chromosome is having XX here, male, female individuals. These are the female individuals. Female, these are the males. This is the female, this is the female, male individual and male individual. Examples grasshopper, grasshopper. XX, type of sex determination is example, best example, grasshopper. ZO and ZZ type of ZO and ZZ type of sex determination examples, that is the butterfly, butterfly and moths. Now XY type of sex determination, Drosophila and Drosophila and humans. Determination example, bird. So XX type of sex determination, grasshopper, and ZZ type of sex determination example, butterfly. And what is the best example? XY type of determination, Drosophila and humans, ZW, bird. So now let us discuss individually. XO type. This is the female and this is the male. Grasshopper. Example, grasshopper. One type of sex determination. Now in this XX and XO type, this is the male individual, female individual and male individual. If you see the autosomes, one set of autosomes are present, another one pair of allosomes are present. And here this is the female individual, this is the male individual is having one set of autosomes, another one pair of autosomes, another pair of allosomes. If the male is having one pair of different pairs, so one pair of autosomes, so different pairs are having allosomes. So during the meiotic cell division, they are divided. AX during the meiotic cell division, and here and AO during the meiotic cell division time, they are divided into two different variations. That is the one is autosomes, another one is X is having allosomes. One is autosomes and allosomes. Now they can fuse it. AAXX female and AAXO male individual will develop. Another one, male heterogamity we are expecting. Grasshopper present, female heterogamity, male heterogamity. Here homogamity, female is having homogamity and male is having heterogamitic. Now ZZ type of sex determination, ZZ type of sex determination. Butterfly. This is the female individual, this is the male individual. Now here autosomes, ZZ one set of autosomes and the two different set of allosomes. Here one set of autosomes, another set of allosomes. Now during the meiotic cell division, so one set AZ and AO, and here AZ. During the meiotic cell division, the female individual can divided producing two different gametes. One is AZ, autosomes one, another one is allosomes. Autosomes, another one is allosomes. Now, male also can divided. During the meiotic cell division time, we are getting the gamete. That is the one is allosomes. Now, so this female individual can fuse with the and male. The female gamete fuse with male gamete. So we are expecting AAZZ, and this is the AAZZ, another one AAZO. So AAZZ female, this is the male, this is the, so this is the butterfly under sex determination. XY type of sex determination. Humans. Autosomes, one set, another set allosomes. Autosomes, another set, another two different type of set allosomes. Now, so here this is the female and this is the male individual of organism. This is the male female individual, this is the male individual. You see the male and female baby decide చేసేటువంటి పేరెంట్ ఏది అంటే absolutely that is the male. Here during the meiotic cell division we are expecting gametes A and X. Here AX and autosomes, another one is allosome, another set. This is autosomes, another set is allosomes. Like this gametes we are expecting. So these gametes are fused. During the fertilization time, these gametes can fused. So we can expecting AAXX. Another one AAXY. AAXX, another one AAXY. So this is the 50% of the sperm can fuse with the AAXX and remaining 50% of the sperm can fuse with AAXY. So this is the male individual, this is the female baby, and this is the male baby. So this is the humans. These are the humans are best example. Bird. So here autosomes ZZ, allosomes one set Z and W. So during the meiotic cell division, this divided autosomes under one set of allosomes. Here also autosomes, one set of allosomes, under one autosomes and one set of allosomes. So here we can expect two different type of the gametes from the male individual. From the male individual, we are expecting how many type of the gametes? Two different type of the gametes. So that is the autosomes is one, under allosomes one, and here also autosomes under allosomes. They can fuse. During the fertilization time, these gametes are fused. So we are expecting AAZZ, absolutely that is the female individual of the organisms. Next one AAZW. So that is the male individual type of organism. Means absolutely this is the female and this is the male individual type of the organisms. This is the best example.